And we are recording. So, hi, I'm Theda Blackwood, and I am here today with Michelle Montalvo to share her way that she uses the method, her method to using the theorem method. So, Michelle, welcome.
Hi, welcome.
So, tell me how you use the method.
So I use the leave-in. Um, I use it after I shampoo,
Okay.
um, and I just leave it in as a leave-in, and I blow dry and um, straighten my hair. And it's good. It makes it so. I actually had a coworker one day. I just did it, and we had a Zoom call,
Uh-huh.
and she was like, "Oh wow, your hair looks really great." And then I'll use the sugar pie um, after. So
Okay, so you leave in. How much do you use?
I don't use a lot at all. I literally use probably like maybe a quarter size
Okay.
or a third size.
All right, so you put it through your wet hair and then sugar pie in dry hair or wet hair?
Dry hair.
Dry hair. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Now, are you using square root too or no?
No, not yet, but
Okay.
maybe maybe later.
Awesome. Well, and so what has it done for your hair?
My hair is so soft, and I feel like I don't have to use as much to blow dry it or to straighten it. So sometimes I can just blow dry it. I have very curly hair, so
Uh-huh.
sometimes I can just blow dry it and it will be straight enough that I don't have to run the flat iron through it.
Wow. That's impressive. Awesome. Well, thank you. Thank you so much for sharing. I know you're busy and have another career too, but thank you so much for popping in and allowing me to interview you.
Great, thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.